好，我们今天要讲的故事是什么 ？The Sound of Colors, A Journey of the Imagination。这是吉米画的哦，吉米的地下铁。妈咪很喜欢吉米，我们之前有看过他的《月亮不见了》的书，我们今天要来看这一本。A year ago, I began to notice that my sight was slipping away. I sat at home alone and felt the darkness settle around me. But today, I walked outside into the thin gray rain and made my way to the subway. I have a journey to go on. There are some things I need to find. 他要去找什么啊？他跑到地下铁去了。I walk down to the subway platform, where the wind never blows and the rain never falls. Waiting for the train, I start to wonder if all the subway tracks in the world join together, then where would I go? Anywhere I can imagine. 他到底要去哪里呢？地铁会带他去哪里呢？哇，地铁上都是人耶。I push my way onto a train full of people. Do they all have someone waiting for them at the other end? 满车的人耶，他们是不是都要去找朋友跟找家人？有人在等他们吗？ The train shudders to a stop. The doors slide open. I don't remember what the station looks like, what will be around me when I step outside. I climb the stairs toward the exit, careful that I don't trip and fall. As slowly as an elephant, I plumb up and up, peacefully, patiently, one step at a time. When at last I walk out of the tunnel, I can't see the light, but I can feel the leaves falling like sunshine all around me. I have heard a story that somewhere nearby, one golden leaf is buried. I want to pick some apples heavy in my hands with their juice. Their smell sweet and red, their taste plump and round. Back on the ground, the train scooped me up and like a memory carried me along. A new station up the stairs again. What if I step out into an ocean? I dream that I know that language of dolphins, that I can hear the secret of the sea. I have forgotten how blue the sky can be, but in my mind I still watch the clouds change shape. I never noticed before that the train in the tunnel sounds like waves. Sounds like waves against a distant shore. 对啊，噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔，鲨鱼来了。I wonder what would happen if I stepped off the last stair and found nothing beneath my foot. Uh-oh. Maybe the air would teach me to fly just like it teaches the birds. 它飞了耶。And the wind would blow me back to the trains and set me gently down. Sometimes the streets twist themselves into a maze. But if you look hard enough, there's always a way out. 你看它从中间就这样穿过来了。
为什么他把一堆都踩坏了？
我不知道啊，他决定要这样做。你看他看到了好多动物形状，还有恐龙形状的那个园艺作品。I'll never know if this station is the same as it was yesterday. Did it change overnight? Grow into something new?
在哪里？
在这里。Maybe I have come to the last station in the world, but this can be the end of my journey. I haven't found what I need. 你看，他找到了一个超大的月亮，但这是不是他的终点？大家不知道呢。Trains rumbled and clank and rush past me. Which is the right one? It's easy to get lost on the ground. I wonder where I am and where I'm going. And if I'm getting closer to what I'm searching for. A little boy asked me how to get home. I'm looking too, I tell him. 你刚刚有没有看到？这是什么？小红帽和大野狼还有绿野仙踪的铁人，对不对？还有狮子，他们都在这里面。他也在小丑，他们也在寻找回家的路啊。Home is the place where everything I have lost is waiting patiently for me to find my way back. 还有这个士兵The last thing I lost was the light, as if somebody played a joke on me. Turn off the switch. I tried and tried, but I couldn't find it again. So I went forward step by step into the dark. 他最终看不到东西了，他失去他的视觉了，看不到，东西变得一片漆黑，有怪兽在里面，他失去了他的视力。Now I listen for the sound of the colors I can see. I try to smell the shapes, taste the light and dark. 所以现在他开始要用他其他的感官知觉，用听觉、用嗅觉、用味觉去感受这个世界。And I hope to find a friend who will read me a poem while the window fills up with sunset. 他现在没办法自己看诗啊，希望人家可以读给他听。There must be someone who will sit beside me, sip tea, tell me her hopes for the future, and listen to mine. Even when I'm tired of the jointing trains and the stairs up and down, one thought keeps me going. Someone could be waiting for me at the other end. He will take my hand and hold the umbrella over me. He will tell me what the stars look like. He will walk by my side all night long. Listen, far ahead at the end of the tunnel, can you hear it? A butterfly is flapping her wings. I can feel the wind she makes brushing against my face. I follow her, going down against up, up against down. 不要先翻页，好，等你。
这边，我来了。
你来了，好。
他从
在这里啊。
他从这里。
对啊，要下楼啊，然后呢？
你猜他去哪里？
我不知道啊，我们现在就要找出来，他到底要去哪里？他又上楼了，对不对？他到底要去哪里呢？Straining to hear the delicate sound of her flight through the clamor of the city. Because I think she can show me where I could find a juicy red apple or a single golden leaf. She'll take me to the friend I need to find. She will lead me to the place where all the colors are. She will bring me back to the light that I lost, still glowing here. 他到底要去哪里呢？他找到他的朋友了吗 ？In my heart. 原来那个光线就在他，色彩就在他的心中啊。
妈咪，他的这是什么？
这是他的树屋，他的家啊，是不是？看好漂亮的彩色玻璃哦。最后这是吉米的背景哦。Jimmy Liao was born in Taipei, Taiwan, and received a degree in design from the Chinese Cultural University. He worked as an illustrator in the advertising industry for 12 years, but he left to pursue his own creative endeavors. He is the author and illustrator of over 20 hugely popular books that have been translated into English, French, German, Greek, Japanese, Korean, and Thai. 这本呢，The Sound of Colors has been adapted into a stage play as well as a motion picture produced by award-winning Hong Kong filmmaker Wang Jiawei. 讲哪个？这个我都给爸比讲啊。好啦，那我们就不念了，要休息了，对不对？这就是你喜欢的地下铁的故事，《The Sound of Colors》，The End。